hopefully you can see me. Want to demonstrate how to fill the 1 pound propane properly. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, and I can tell you they're doing it wrong. Either they are putting too much pressure on this little tank, which is not meant for refill, or they can't fill it completely. The reason why is because there's still air inside the tank, and you just can't just putting liquid in without venting the rest of it out. So therefore you're creating a lot of pressure while you're doing it. Second, because the pressure is not compressed really well, and then you're only getting maybe 3/4 or half full. That's why all those guys that you freeze the tank to get a little more room. Okay, so let me show you the proper way and the safer way. Okay, I have created this line, and which is available to purchase, and basically is an extension of the existing one in the market. What happened is there's very little room to turn, to rotate the nozzle, and literally there's no room to adjust. That's why I made an extension. This one screws right into the tank, and then now this one screw right into the 1-pounders. So it just hangs out here. It's about a foot long, 1.5 feet, depending what it is, but I think 1 foot is more than enough. And so basically, and I also have a little valve right here, so you can turn. The proper way to do it: turn off everything. Okay, the tank is off. This is off, which is a cross. This is on, off. And what you want to do with this special modified tool, I don't think you can buy this online or available. I have to basically modify it to work with this. So what you want to do is loosen the tank a little bit. The valve right here. There's a little valve right here. Loosen the valve a little bit. You hear some hissing sound. Okay. And you might not, depending how full it is. Okay, just slightly. Okay. I gotta turn it off right now. Okay. So what you want to do is go ahead and turn on the tank like normally. Okay. Like I said, you can see how hard it is to turn the tank. It's this way, yeah. It's very hard to turn a tank. That's why I don't suggest the eBay version of it. Okay. So from here, all I'm gonna do is release. Okay. Now let this go a little bit. What you want to do is wait until you see some white fluid coming out. Okay, you can turn it off, because I didn't want to turn on too much. I can hear it. It's getting heavier. You can't rush this stuff. You want to make sure it's safe. Now you can see the fluid start coming out. That's what you want to stop. Okay, once you see a fluid coming out, can see it there. First thing is to shut this off and shut this off. Now this is a pretty full tank right now because the fluid went pretty much about 80%, 90% of full. So instead of the other way around, where everything's compressed, you can't release the valve. The whole goal is to release the valve so the air can escape, so it will have less pressure inside, and also a lot safer because now the pressure is released instead of everything is pressurized in. Because I have seen some tanks, some people does it, the whole thing expanded, and that's very dangerous. So if you have this tool, and let me turn this off real quick. Normally when I do this, I do about 8 to 10 of them at one time, so that way I don't waste some of the liquid in here. You can tell that's I'm just releasing some pressure, and liquid comes out. So anyway, this is very useful and very convenient because you don't have to reach under and try to do this in here. It's almost impossible. That's why the extension helps a lot, and the valve also helps for us controlling the liquid flowing into the tank. Okay, and this tool, like I say, release the valve, so therefore you're able to fill it completely. Once again, I don't want to downplay other guys who does it on YouTube, but what they're doing is totally wrong. They're not releasing the pressure. There's no room for you to manipulate the valves and so on, and it becomes kind of dangerous if you don't release the pressure. Also, you notice my garage door is open. I'm doing it outside and vent, so therefore it's very, very safe. And like I said, I normally fill them out 8 to 10 at a time. I always save these. I think it's a horrible thing to throw them away, and you can recycle them. Like I said, I do sell this for $45 ship with the tool. So whatever you saw right there is a whole kit, and you save some money. Actually, save yourself some knuckle being cut by all these corners here. And secondly, it's a lot safer the way I do it, and so on. Okay, thank you so much.